Hi everyone, my name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. For our art activity for today, we're going to be doing pipe cleaner flowers. Let's begin. For this activity, all that you're going to need is some pipe cleaners of different colors and some scissors. So I'm going to take a green pipe cleaner, and I don't want my flower to be this tall, so I'm going to cut it a little bit. And then I'm going to take pink and purple pipe cleaners. I'm going to use 4 of them. And I'm going to cross them over each other like this. And then I'm going to take my green pipe cleaner and then bring the top over the center of the other pipe cleaners. I'm going to wrap it around until it's all the way over. And then I can go ahead and take my purple and pink pipe cleaners, and then I'm going to roll them in towards the stem. I'm going to start at the bottom. So just take the top of the pipe cleaner and roll it in until you reach all the way at the bottom. Once you have rolled all of the pipe cleaners in, then you'll have the petals of your flower. Then you can take the green pipe cleaner that you cut and you can use it to add the leaves. I'm going to fold it down the middle, and then I'm going to attach it to the stem by rolling the tips of the pipe cleaner in over the stem. And lastly, I'm going to take my yellow pipe cleaner and I'm going to cut a little bit off. And I'm going to hook it to the green part of the top of the flower. So I'm going to put it underneath it and fold this little edge over. And then I'm going to roll it in like I did with the stems. So this will be the center of your flower. So that will be your pipe cleaner flower. You see, if you cut the pipe cleaners, then you can get different lengths. So I cut mine pretty short, so this is a little flower, but if you want, you can also make a bigger one. And there you have your pipe cleaner flowers that will never die. And thank you so much for joining me here today at Children's Museum Houston. We hope you enjoyed today's art activity, and if you did, don't forget to follow us on social media and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Maddie and I hope to see you next time. Bye!